Hello my dear students, this is Alok Shah, and in this part of the video I will explain eye defects and types of eye defects. Eye defect is what? Simply when an healthy eye is not able to see clearly the objects, either it is nearby object or it is far off objects, due to some reasons. So this condition of an eye is called eye defect, and it can arise, eye defect can arise due to many reasons. It may be change the size of eyeball, it may be some biological reason, that is not our concern. So see, blurred or abnormal vision of human eye due to loss of power of accommodation or change in the structure of an eye is called defect of vision. The main types of eye defects are listed below. What are those? Myopia, it is also called short-sightedness, hypermetropia or far-sightedness, presbyopia or cataract. These are the four important eye defects that we will study in this chapter. Starting with myopia. Myopia or short-sightedness. See the definition. It is an eye defect due to which an eye can clearly see the nearby object but not the distant object. Means, in case of myopia, eye is able to see nearby object. An eye can see nearby object clearly, but eye is not able to see distant object. Distant objects are not visible for the eye. So this case is called myopia. So there are some reasons of myopia. What are the reasons? There are basically two reasons of myopia. The reasons are: the length of eyeball is increased, that is distance of retina from eye lens increases. It is also called elongation of eyeball. See in the picture. My drawing is not good, so please don't laugh to see these pictures. This is normal eyeball, where eye lens, this is eye lens, and rays coming from infinity focused at retina. But this is elongated eyeball. As you see, this eyeball is elongated, length of eyeball is increased, so distance between the lens and the retina is increased, so image is not forming at retina. So this may be the case of myopia, when length of eyeball is increased. This is also called elongation of eye. So first reason is elongation of eye, and the second reason is focal length of eyeball is decreased, so image forms in front of the retina. That is, when eyeball elongated, two cases must be possible. That is, its lens also, size of lens also changes. So when size of lens is changed, means when it is elongated, then it creates pressure from both sides, as you see in the picture, and the shape of lens is changed. So when shape of lens is changed, means it's become thicker, so its focal length is changed. It is also called power of lens to converge increases. Means the lens power, that is converging power of lens, is increased, and this converges the rays in front of retina. So this is the second case of the second reason of the myopia. First reason is elongation of eyeball. Second is focal length of the eye lens is decreased, so it is forming image in front of retina instead of retina. That's why we cannot able to see distant object. Now we will see how myopia can be corrected. Now correction of myopia. Myopia is corrected by using concave lens of suitable focal length. See in this diagram, this is the figure of normal eye rays coming from infinity are focused by eye lens at the retina. This is the near point. But in myopic eye, when rays are coming from infinity or from the far point of the eye, listen it again, rays are coming from infinity or from the far point of eye, then it is not converging at the retina, it is converging in front of retina. So we get a blurred image of that object. You can also consider in this figure like that, the rays are coming from infinity are being focused in front of retina instead of retina. So this figure and this figure are same. In this figure it is explaining that rays are coming from far point is not focused at the retina. Rays are coming from infinity is not focused at the retina. So what we do, we take a concave lens of suitable focal length. Rays are coming from infinity or from the far point are diverged and increase the focal length of eye lens, and ultimately rays are focused at the retina. So this is the way we correct the myopia. What you will write? You will write this statement that myopia is corrected by using concave lens of suitable focal length. You draw these required diagrams, and the concave lens diverges the light ray, and then rays which are coming from infinity is converged by our eye lens to focus it at retina, which was earlier being focused in front of retina. So this is the method of correction of myopia. In next part I will explain hypermetropia, cataract and presbyopia. So stay tuned.